guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Arita. If you are stopping here for the first time, welcome, and if you are not, welcome back. Okay, so in today's video I want to give you guys like a house tour of the Airbnb I'm staying at right here in Kitchener, Canada. So yeah, just watch, enjoy yourself, and see how it goes. Okay, so right here is the entrance. I don't want to go outside because like I'm not wearing shoes. So yes, when you step into the house, close it up because it's cold. So as you can see, I'm wearing turtleneck inside the house because like the weather is a bit warm, but then it's not like all that warm. So once you get into the house, the first place you come into is like the, let me say like the patio, or what do you call this place? Like you just, okay, the first place you enter, once you get through the front door, you just get here and then you take off your shoes. My room is actually the first room here once you enter the house. So yeah, my first room is actually first room. That's where I take off my shoes and just go into my room. Here we have like the storage closet. We have the storage here. You can just put in like this, like their cleaning closets and all of that. They put like the cleaning equipment. Here is the work desk. Here is like the living room. Let me give you guys like a full. Are you seeing how it looks? Here's like the living room. We have like little cute decors here. Here's the work desk. You can sit down here. I usually come here to sit down to do maybe like 1 or 2 schoolwork or work on my laptop. So yeah, the parlor is really cute. You could sit down and then watch TV. And then okay, here is their thermostat. You can regulate the temperature of the house. They have like air vents in every room, everywhere you go, to just distribute the air and the warmth everywhere. Okay, so we are going into the kitchen right now. Let me stand from afar so you see how the kitchen actually looks. So yes, this is the kitchen. This is what it looks like. So here they have like this shelf where they like put little cute decorations, the tissue, the the writing, and then here's just maybe like an instruction from the landlord or the house owner. Then they have the like table where you have to, once you cook, you sit down here to eat. Like this place is really beautiful. It's cute, it's cozy, it's warm, and if you have like any issues or anything, you can talk to the landlord. Here is like the trash can, trash dustbin. No, I don't reach Canada and I don't know it's big trash can. Okay, so here is the microwave. The house comes with a microwave. It's fully furnished. I mean, this is not an advert, but yeah, it's fully furnished. They have like the spoons, the utensils. They have like a drawer here for spoons, knife, forks, everything you need. So I don't want to like go into like details of opening the cupboard. So they have like a really nice gas cooker here, the toaster, the kettle, and the coffee maker. Then here's the sink. Okay, then it comes with like a fridge, dishwasher. It has like 2 other rooms, right? I told you guys my room is number 1 room. Okay, so here is the door. Let me go back so you see what it looks like. So this door right here leads to the washroom, the bathroom, the washroom, the toilet, everything you need to do. It's over there. Here is a storage closet as well. They put like towels and all those things if you need to get some more. Like, but when then here we go down all the way down to the washing machine. This is always very good, so I don't like coming here. So here's for like the washer and the dryer. Then they have another exit door here, but like this for the person that stays in the basement. So okay, we're done viewing that room. God, I'm even tired of walking. I'm done showing you guys the rest of the house. Let me show you my own room where I actually stay, and that is room 1. Okay, so it has like a key card. First of all, it has like this key. Is it key card? It's like a safe kind of lock. Then the door handle where you can also lock the room. Then you get into the room. It has a light switch here. The storage closet where you can store the storage closet. This is like a closet. I can put my boxes up here. But right here, I already have like an extra blanket, a towel, and like 2 extra pillows and blankets. This is the blankets. Then it comes with hangers where you can hang your stuff. You can see my little towel is already there. Then I can put my bags down here. Then you see that cute painting, like it just gives the ambience of the room. You can see the mattress is over there. Then it has like this huge window, which I actually love. When I was trying to get a house, I wanted something that is not so different. Like, yes, it's aesthetically pleasing, but then it's not so different from this Airbnb ambience. Like, this is so cozy. Like, this place is so cozy. The only thing is, it's really expensive. So, I have the bed, but the room is really small though. The room is really small. I have the bed, the nightstands, 2 nightstands by the right, 2 lamps, the drawers, 2 switch by the side. But that's basically it. Okay, so when I was looking for a house, I wanted something that had like a little bit of the Airbnb vibe. Like, yes, it's not so like not so out of this world that you cannot afford it, but then at the same time, let it not just be so, you know how houses can get, let's not be so tacky. So I saw 2 places. I saw one, but when I went there, they had like mold all over the glasses, all over the window. And I asked the lady, like, how are we going to get rid of this? Because I have, it's my trigger, my allergies and all of that. And then she was like, oh, she doesn't know. Am I a cleaner? And I was like, what? Red flag, please. Red flag. Say, am I a cleaner? I'm like, I'm trying to get your house. Your house is messed up. But I didn't say that to her. I just said no. And then she was like, oh, sorry. I mean, she was trying to make a joke. But to me, it wasn't a joke. It sounded so stupid. I came to your house. The whole window, like here now, this window pane everywhere is moldy and dirty. I'm telling you how we clean it. She now said, are you a cleaner? Are you okay? Are you okay upstairs? And I'll pay you rent. Doesn't make sense. So basically, what I noticed there is, it didn't seem like a property like they were really taking care of very well. So I also saw another one for like I think they said $1,000, 1,000 Canadian dollars a month, and that is like really expensive. Hey, make I pay how much? No, wait, maybe reason $1,000 a month. It's too expensive. Even if the place did not make sense to me, because like it's not as if I'm renting the whole place. I'm just renting a small room. Let me say a room in the place, and then you are giving me how much? Like, it's really expensive. Like, you want to use me to build your own house in the village. Like, the place, I'm renting it from somebody. Like, it's like a should I say a sublet? Yeah, kind of a sublet, but wanted 3 months. You want it for 3 months, then you want to rent it to me for like 900. It's so expensive. Let's be realistic. It's not as if I'm renting an apartment. I'm just renting a room. And it's not like the whole house, like all of us are moving in together. You're already paying the rent, and you just want someone to come out. I not just battle the place, let me not lie. The place was close to my school, yes, but then it was very expensive. Okay, so another one I saw was like 750, but that one too is also a bit far. When I say far, it's not like far, because like the only thing that is really the issue here in Canada is like the buses are on strike. For me right now, I came when the buses are on strike, so going from one place to another is very annoying, because you have to take Uber, and Uber is not cheap. So what am I trying to do now? I'm trying to, okay, I got a place, but then I have to like rent for like 4 months or so. So maybe I'll show you guys a video when I move in to the other place. But overall, I think this Airbnb was really, really nice. I had like a very wonderful stay, peaceful stay. They have like two curtains, one for daytime and one for nighttime. You can put daytime one up. This one, daytime one up is up, up right now, and the one for nighttime you can put it when you don't want the lights to bother you and all of that. So, and then you don't want people to see what you're doing inside your room. And good for me, I came during the summer, so if it's accommodation you will see it. It's just that you have to take your time and look and search. And this is the period where people are doing a lot of their co-op, so like you will see accommodation. It's just that it's very, very annoying. Like the search is very annoying, because like the place you might want to go and view will be very far, and they want to do FaceTime. I don't have FaceTime. I use Android. Life life happens, and I'll be like, oh, can we do it on WhatsApp? And then some people might not know how to use the WhatsApp, so that's it. So I have to like go all the way down to go and check it out and then come back. It gets like the whole process is so annoying because of transportation. So I've gotten one place that I think I'll be going with, because I mean it's convenient, it's close to like the train station. So I feel like the trains don't really have like much of an issue during the winter. So I think I'll be going with that place. Yeah. So I'll show you guys when I get there. Okay guys, this brings me to the end of our video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the tour I gave you guys of my Airbnb right here in Kitchener, Canada. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Just keep watching, just keep staying yeah, staying tuned. Just keep staying glued to my channel. Please do well to like, subscribe, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, and then share to your friends and family. Yeah, so let's just grow on this journey together. Thank you.